Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to tell you when should you get your hearing test done. Hearing health is integral to our overall well-being, yet it's often overlooked until noticeable issues arise. Knowing when to get your hearing evaluated is crucial for early detection, intervention, and maintaining optimal auditory wellness. In this podcast, we'll delve into the indicators and recommendations for scheduling a hearing evaluation. Age related assessments. As individuals age, changes in hearing abilities become more prevalent. The American Speech Language Hearing Association recommends that adults aged 50 and above should undergo a hearing evaluation every 3 years, even in the absence of apparent hearing difficulties. For those over 65, annual evaluations are encouraged to monitor any changes in hearing health. Noticeable changes in hearing. If you notice any changes in your hearing abilities, it's advisable to seek an evaluation promptly. Signs may include difficulty understanding speech, asking people to repeat themselves frequently, turning up the volume on electronic devices excessively, or experiencing ringing or buzzing sounds in the ears, which is also tinnitus. Exposure to loud environments. Regular exposure to loud environments, whether due to work, recreational activities, or hobbies, can significantly impact hearing health. If you work in a noisy setting, such as construction sites, factories, or loud music venues, or if you engage in activities with high noise levels, it's essential to get your hearing evaluated regularly. Family history of hearing loss. A family history of hearing loss can increase the risk of experiencing similar issues. If hearing loss runs in your family or if close relatives have experienced hearing difficulties, consider scheduling regular hearing evaluations as a preventive measure. Health conditions linked to hearing loss. Certain health conditions such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and hypertension have been associated with an increased risk of hearing loss. Individuals with these conditions or those taking medications known to affect hearing should prioritize regular hearing evaluations. Treatment for ear infections or injuries. If you have had ear infections or injuries that may have affected your hearing, it's crucial to get your hearing evaluated post treatment. Even after resolving the primary issue, residual effects on hearing could persist, requiring professional assessment. Experiencing tinnitus. Tinnitus or persistent ringing, buzzing, or hissing sounds in the ears might be a symptom of a hearing problem. If you have tinnitus, getting a hearing test might help you identify potential reasons and appropriate therapy techniques. Occupational hearing protection programs. For individuals working in environments with high noise levels, regular hearing evaluations are often part of occupational hearing protection programs. These evaluations ensure early detection of hearing issues and help implement preventive measures to protect employees' hearing health. Post intervention assessments. After receiving interventions for hearing issues, such as using hearing aids or undergoing medical treatments, follow up evaluations are essential. These assessments monitor the effectiveness of the intervention and make necessary adjustments to optimize hearing outcomes. Regular checkups as preventive measures. In addition to these specific instances, incorporating regular hearing evaluations into your overall health checkups can serve as a preventive measure. Prioritizing auditory health alongside routine medical appointments fosters a proactive approach to maintaining overall wellness. Understanding when to get your hearing evaluated is key to preserving auditory health and addressing any potential issues promptly. Whether it's based on age, noticeable changes in hearing, exposure to loud environments, family history, health conditions, or post intervention assessments, regular evaluations play a pivotal role in early detection, intervention, and maintaining optimal hearing health. Prioritizing timely hearing evaluations contributes to improved overall well being, communication abilities, and quality of life. Embracing a proactive approach to hearing health ensures that any changes in auditory abilities are detected early and appropriately managed. For more information, visit our website, which is www.aanvihearing.com, or call us on 9658395839.